Hi, this is Kelly right at the Money Show in Dallas, and joining me today is Ms. Jackie Ann Patterson, ownmountain.com. That's OWN mountain.com. So Jackie, you're an ETF specialist. I think that's fair to say. Yes. All right. So I'm guessing the question that you get a lot is, what do you like right now?
Well, what I like is what my system tells me to like, which of I tend to look at broad market ETFs, follow the indices in both stocks and in bonds, and then look at what has been performing the best over roughly the last 6 months. And
so you're kind of a bottom up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
As opposed to a top down. See how we got to there, folks? Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So bottom up means you take what Mr. Market gives you.
I do.
Okay.
I do. And I look at how have things been performing, and right now when I take a look, bonds are on top, and that was completely contrary to what I thought would happen.
Go figure.
Yeah. But there it is. So I'm going to take what the market has told me and run with it.
You know, last week we got some interesting news. We can put it that way, of the outlines and fundamentals of some type of agreement between the U.S. and China, which heaven only knows whether that's going to come to fruition or not. But did you see any change? Did you see outflows from here and inflows into there, or anything like that?
Yeah, I think at every turn of the news there has been a change in the market. Now, I'm looking mainly at the price, and that should reflect the money flowing into an area or out. Should. Things don't always do what they should do in my estimation.
True.
But yes, definitely. And I've also seen kind of the lukewarm response around international markets. And I do watch an ETF that tracks emerging markets, including China, and it's been struggling, and it's still.
So if I understand you correctly, based on that, it's kind of like there was sort of a yawn coming out of that part of the world, like, been here, done that, and we'll believe it when we see it.
That is a great way to characterize it.
That's interesting. That's
a global
yawn.
yawn.
A global yawn, okay. Yeah. So there's a big chunk of investors who said, been there, seen that.
Right.
Show me something.
Show me
something
Show me
different.
what happens. Yeah.
Okay, well, this is going to be interesting. In your work, do you look at sentiment indicators or just price and?
I do. I consider the put-call ratio as a sentiment indicator, and the breadth to be a sense of sentiment. I believe that there are some, news, you could kind of track the news. That seems very fuzzy to me and hard to do. So if I can't put a number to it, I'm a little bit less inclined to include it as a firm decision-making thing.
Jackie and I were talking off camera that life has changed since we both got involved in the markets. News is different today, wouldn't you say?
Yes, absolutely.
And how the markets react to news. I remember back in the day, if the long bond moved 10 basis points in a year, it was like, oh my God.
Yeah.
The long bond moved 10 basis points. Now it moves 10 basis points in 10 minutes, you know? And, we're in a different world.
Oh, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
So, but in your part of the world, you've got vehicles that let you track that and to invest in that. So.
Yes, and to see where the opportunities are, and there's almost always an opportunity somewhere.
See, and there you have it. Tell the folks where they can go and see your work and your website and what it is that you do.
Yes, please visit my website at ownmountain.com, or you can look for my book on Amazon, Truth About ETF Rotation.
Jackie, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
This is Kelly right at the Money Show in Dallas, and thanks for joining us.